Hello and welcome. Let's change your YouTube channel handle. First thing you want to do is come over to the top right. You make sure you're logged in. Click on your icon. Go to YouTube Studio. Don't touch. Hey, no talking. On the left side of the page, you want to go down to Customize and click on it. Under Channel Customization, you want to go to Basic Info. Here you can change your name, you can change your handle, you can add a description to your channel, you can also add links, and you can add your email. You can change your handle twice every 14 days. To change your handle, you're going to click inside the text box and take out the part that you don't like. I'm going to take out the letters and numbers. As soon as you do that, YouTube is going to check and see if that handle is available. This handle isn't available, so I'll choose the next best thing, maybe Great Tutorials 1. There's a green checkbox now. That means the handle is available. After that, you're going to click Publish to change your channel handle. Okay, on the bottom it says changes published. Go to channel. Now we can test out our new channel handle. Copy your new handle. You're in YouTube Studio. You want to get out of YouTube Studio and just go back to the normal YouTube website. Okay, once you're at the normal YouTube website, you can enter / and then the @ sign, and then paste in your new channel handle and hit enter. You have successfully set up your YouTube channel handle or changed your YouTube channel handle. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.